Hello and welcome. Next step after the installation of the software is to configure it to our needs. In this video, we'll look at the unit section and the pipe series. In the next video, we'll look at the technical parameters and the options and information section. So let's look at the possibilities for the default units. Default units because they are the units that will be used standard when selecting a product or in the circuit calculation. But you always have the possibility to change that default unit when needed. Let's imagine you have liters per hour as standard, but in the product selection the value for flow is high. Well, here you could change the unit to cubic meters per hour, for example. In the section for product selection once, this is. The three default units that are already appearing on the home ribbon are flow, differential pressure and temperature. They will already be preset, depending on the version you have chosen when downloading. So this will be different in the Americas, for example. After clicking the diagonal arrow, a pop-up screen appears with a total of 26 different units to set or to change. Notice that you can set a different value for differential pressure and static pressure. The options go from Pascal to PSI. Also for flow, it ranges from cubic meter per second to UK GPM or UK gallon per minute. So both the metric as the imperial system with different variants. Notice the two options on top, the kV value and the CV value. Also here, possibly two standards are used. kV is the valve coefficient with metric units, so cubic meters and bar, while CV is with gallons per minute and PSI. Next to default units, we find the pipe series segment. Also here, you can quickly set the default pipe series. You simply select your desired pipes in the drop-down menu. Or by clicking on the little arrow, a pop-up appears and gives us more options, even to add our pipe series if we would not find it in the list. Although most commonly used pipes are integrated, we could imagine there is one not in the list. Here we will look at how to create such a new pipe series. So we open the pop-up. On the bottom you'll find the Create Series button, and after clicking on it, a new pipe series is created with the name New Pipe Series or New Pipe Series 1, and immediately a pipe called New Pipe 1. So now we can start editing, and we can start with changing the description. So let's start with the 1/8. Set the values in internal diameter, roughness, maximum pressure and maximum temperature. When this is completed, we can continue adding pipes. And don't forget to change the name of the pipe series. Let's call it HySelect Test. When you don't need the pipe series anymore, just uncheck the box so you can use it later or completely delete it. In the next chapter of this tutorial sequence, we look at the technical parameters and the two last elements on the menu ribbon. See you soon!